This is the first major issue I've had with my Toro Greensmaster 1600 since picking it up about a year and a half ago almost. And I want to tell you the story about what happened and how I'm going to fix it. Here we go.
Welcome to Jimmy's channel.
So yes, the Toro Greensmaster is broken and currently out of commission. I will say though, I got lucky. I had just finished mowing. I did a double cut on the front yard, got it all done, got to the very end. I was gonna take it off the grass onto the driveway to bring it back in the garage, and I went to pull this lever down to make it go forward and to propel forward, and it wouldn't go. Just wouldn't move. The reel would spin if I had the reel engaged. That worked fine, but it would not go forward. So there's something wrong with the belts, and I believe it's on this side right here. Let me show you. So let me show you kind of how I figured this out. The very first symptom for me was when I engaged the drive lever. That's what I call it. It makes it go forward. And if you have this pulled in this way, the reel will spin when you go forward. If it's out this way, it will not spin. So, put this down, no go forward, no work.
So me think, why waste time? Say lot word when few word do trick.
Now, I've got it up on the stand and I've got the wheels off the ground just to show you when I move this wheel, there's a little bit of tension on there. You can feel that the belt's connected, there's some tension there, and no issue there. On the other side, watch this. It's free. There's no tension at all. So I'm led to believe that the belt that's behind this cover here is broken. Now removing this belt cover is really easy. All you need to do is remove the transport wheel, and that exposes 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. These are 11mm bolts. They all come off and will expose the belt. So there we go, as suspected, shredded. So I'm gonna call up my local repair shop in the morning and have them send me a couple of these. Once I have the new belts and everything, be back with you.
48 hours later.
All right, a couple days later, got a box with the new belt. So go ahead and get this put on here and see if we can get ourselves back in business. All right, moment of truth time. We'll see if everything is tight and working properly. I'll go ahead and start it up. I'll make a couple passes without the reel engaged just to make sure it's gonna move and behave as expected. And then if everything's going well, we will throw the grass catcher on there, give it a nice mow. I think that's gonna put me back in business. Everything felt good, everything felt nice, and happy to have that done. So with that being said, it's time to mow. So that'll go ahead and wrap up the video from here. Hopefully if you have similar issues, similar symptoms, this helps you fix your problem. And yeah, happy to have that done. So I'm gonna go ahead and mow and enjoy it, cherish it. And that's gonna go to wrap it up for me. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.